So what's up sa inyong lahat? Ngayon nagbabalik na naman tayo sa panibagong video at ito na ang episode 3 ng ating Bringing Back Nostalgic Games at ngayon lalaroin naman natin ang House of Slendrina. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let's start play. And since yung sa mga past episode natin is nilaro natin yung difficulty ng medium din natin lalaroin ng House of Slendrina. So let's go, let's start. I need to figure out the mystery of Slendrina, who she really is. So yes, ito na, nag-start na. Let's go. Find 8 pieces of a picture to open this key cabinet. Okay, so let's start na. Okay. O yun, so may another pieces agad tayo. And o yun, second pieces agad. And may susi din. So medyo dinadalian lang ha. Hindi tayo nahirapan gaano. So, oh my god. Okay, so ito na. Oh my god. Sorry, nagulat ako. Okay, may pangatlong pieces na tayong nakuha. And nasan tayo? Nasa likod tayo ng kitchen. So, punta natin to dito. And pretty much makikita na naman tayo dito ang pieces. Oh my god, oh my. Huwag ka nang manggulo, Slendrina, ano ba? Gahanap nga ako ng clue para makita ka eh. Ay! Bastos. Palo, ayaw pa ako palabasin, oh. Oh no! Naman ganyan, like, hello po. So wala lang yan, interlude lang. Okay, sige. Let's head out na. Okay, ayun, nakita ko na agad pieces, pero mamaya na. Buksan muna natin to. Let's see kung baka may key. Oh my god! So yun yung... Let's see if may keys or another pieces. Wala. Okay, so buti na lang medyo maliwanag yung pieces. Like, hindi na natin kailangan pang mag-struggle sa... Okay, one key is used. Ayun, yun. Yung ganyan nun. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay, asan tayo? Dito sa office. Clock. Bakit nakaturo yung clock? Is there something we need here? Wala. Okay. Kaliri naman. Open this. Let's see if may pieces. Ayun, wala. Susi lang. Okay, so pretty much puntahan na natin yung ito muna bago tayo umakyat sa labas. Ay, sa taas, I mean. Okay, so we have one key and 3 pieces na lang ang kailangan natin kunin, no? Okay, walang laman, walang pieces. So, let's go. Let's head into the second floor. Oh my god. Sorry, gulit ako. Yun, pieces. Okay, 2 pieces na lang kulang natin. Uy! No! Habulin mo ba ako? Kala ko habulin ako. Okay, may 2 na tayong key. Let's see if may pieces dito. Oh my god! Wala namang pieces. Okay, so let's head bedroom. Siguro ito yung parang master's bedroom. Yun, peace. Isa na lang, guys. Oh my god. So far, marami tayong key. May 2 pa tayong key. Ayun. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung pieces. Now, look for key cabinet. So, I'm assuming yun yung nasa labas, no? I presume yun yan. So, let's head here and yeah. Okay. So, we've unlocked it. Oh my god. You have the cellar key. Now, find the cellar door. If I'm not mistaken, andito nga siya. Yan yung nabuksan natin kanina. By accident. Uy. Anong ganda ano naman? Ano mo laman? Oh. Ano cellar door? Dito. Dito pala. Sumabra lang tayo ng ilang liko. Mga ilang step lang. So, ito. Okay, let's head down na. Cellar key is used. Okay, may mapa ba ito? Wala naman masyadong kwarto pala dito. Uy! Sinaraduan tayo. So, okay. So, I guess dito na tayo maghahanap ng clues about kay Slendrina and who she really is, even though we already know from the past games na nalaro natin. Uy, crowbar. I'm assuming na ito yung pinaka unang laro ni Slendrina. I don't know. Oh my god. Hindi ko lang sure, pero kung ito yung unang laro, pretty sure na ito nga dapat yung parang paghahanapan natin ng kwento. Like, so, kung ito nga yung pinakaunang laro, ito yung parang, oh my god! Kakagulat ka. Ano bang exactly hanapin natin dito? Like, may pinto ba tayong bubuksan? Uy! Yun. Normal lang ba yun? O bug? Oh. It's a glitch, guys. Nag-glitch lang yun. I feel na dapat magpaparamdam sa Slendrina pero hindi lang. Nagtitrigger kasi masikip yung lugar. So, pretty much asa tayo. So, let's head here sa kabila. Hindi pa natin ito napupuntahan. Okay. So, nothing unusual. Oh, door. Yan yung pinagamitan ng crowbar. Okay, so it's another room. In the chest. Oh, so ito si Slenderman. Oh! Congratulations, you managed to find the answers of the mystery of Slendrina. The end. Oh, so yun na yun. That's the ending. Okay, so that was quite short. And at the same time, hindi ko rin na-gets yung ending. Pero yeah. So yun ang House of Slendrina. So, ngayon ko lang napansin na nagre-resemble ng mukha yung Sky. So yeah. So thank you sa mga nanood. Please don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always updated to my latest updates. And yes, abangan nyo naman, lalaroin naman natin ng Slendrina the School for the episode 4 ng ating Bringing Back Nostalgic Games. So yun lang, bye!